So hello everybody, just wanted to post a video about my Jeep Cherokee XJ, and first of all just want to say sorry because I'm not a native English speaker, so bear with me. I may do some mistakes in speaking, but I'll do my best to be as perfect as can be. So on my 98 Cherokee XJ I have a 2.5 turbo diesel VM engine that everybody hates, but it's not as bad as it sounds, because if you keep an eye on your cooling system and you clean it up and you don't throw just pure water, there's no issues in heating problem. But I'll do a walk around later on. First of all, I want to talk about my cruise control, because my XJ didn't come with a cruise control, so everything I was looking for on the internet, on YouTube, I could only find the 4.0 engine, the petrol engine, and for the diesel is different, because on the diesel engine, the 2.5 VM, the throttle, okay, the throttle on the pedal is different. For the 4.0, the petrol engine, you have the throttle linked with a cable. Here it's electronically controlled, so adding a cruise control is not the same or not as easy as adding a cruise control to a petrol engine. So what do you have to do to install a cruise control? First of all, you need those two buttons, the one on the right and the one on the left, and you need a clock spring. The clock spring is behind the wheel. Mine steering wheel was a pain in the ass to remove. I tried different steering wheel pullers, it didn't work, and at the end I had to break it. So I started chopping the steering wheel, and I will add some pictures to see how it ended up. It was like, I think, 4 hours, half of the day work, trying to remove the steering wheel and not to damage the steering column. So yeah, I know. I had already purchased the steering wheel. This one is nice with a leather covering. I also added a leather I don't know, protector, I don't know how to call it. But at the end, when I finally chopped the steering wheel, I was able to remove the clock spring, and after I removed the clock spring, I installed the new clock spring containing the plug for the cruise control buttons. The cruise control buttons, you have to have specific buttons for depending on your XJ years. So if your XJ is the facelift one until 98, you have to get these buttons containing, well, on the rears you have a code made of numbers, and at the end you have two letters. So those letters has to be finishing with AA, AB or AC. If it ends in AD, they won't work on the XJ on 98, but they will work on the XJ from 99 to 2001. Here's a mosquito. So yeah, because the resistance of the buttons from 99 to 2001, the one finishing in A and D, are different than the ones until 98. So you have to get the buttons containing letters AA, AB or AC. And the process is simple. This is just plug and play. You don't have to do anything. Just need a clock spring with the cruise control and the 2 buttons. Once you install it, you see the cruise bulb just goes on when you press the button, so doesn't need anything special. Just press on and off to activate it. I just made this video for the guys having the 2.5 turbo diesel engine, the VM engine. Most of the tutorials are for the 4.0 engines. I will do a walk around next time on my rig. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.